Honourable Speaker, thank you for allowing me to take the floor to respond to the Honourable Member's question. The MOU has various components, including trade and economic relations. However, this question should have been directed to the Minister for Foreign Affairs, because it's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs that is the coordinating agency. Honourable Speaker, the purpose of the MOU is to provide a framework for engagement and collaboration between Fiji and China in areas of mutual interest under the Belt and Road Initiative. Belt and Road Initiative is a development strategy adopted by the Chinese government involving infrastructure development and investment. The MOU focuses on strengthening connectivity through 5 key areas. The key areas of the MOU are as follows. First one, policy coordination. Fiji and China will regularly communicate and promote the synergy and integration of the major development strategies, planning, and policies, something that I spoke yesterday. This was on free trade agreement. Number 2, facilities connectivity. Fiji and China will conduct cooperation and exchanges of infrastructure connectivity in areas of mutual interest, such as roads, railway, bridges, civil aviation, ports, etc. And number 3, enhance trade and investment. Fiji and China will expand two-way investment and trade flow and further deepen investment, trade, and industrial cooperation. To give an example, Fiji participates in various expos organized in China, and from China, the delegation comes to Fiji to explore investment opportunities. Another area of cooperation is the financial coordination. Fiji and China will encourage respective financial institutions to provide financing support and financial services for production capacity, investment, and trade cooperation. And finally, the last area of cooperation is people-to-people bond. Honourable Speaker, Fiji and China will promote people-to-people exchange, further develop the sister cities network, and conclude cooperation agreements on education, culture, health, tourism, sports, public welfare, to name a few. This is to enhance exchange and cooperation between the local governments, media, think tanks, and youths. Lastly, the MOU encourages the two countries to work together on mutual areas of cooperation with all stakeholders within the government and outside the government. It is important to note that Fiji also has such umbrella MOUs with other countries to guide the conduct of our bilateral relations. Honourable Speaker, that's all I have to say.
I thank the